celebrations. Remember that you should be sitting very nice and still with your legs crossed. Beautiful please. You need to have your eyes on the person that is speaking, which will be me sometimes, but sometimes it's somebody different. And then when it's time for you to celebrate your friends achieving an award, you need to clap nice and quietly to celebrate that achievement. Let's see how you go with that. I would like to invite Kinley to give our acknowledgement of country.
We gather today in this special place to continue our learning journey together. We acknowledge the Yagara Djambi and the Yoruba people as the traditional custodian of the land Punjab Trumi. We pay our respects to those of the past, present and future and acknowledge their special connection to country. Please stand for the national anthem.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil, our is girt by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page let every state advance Australia fair. In joyful strains then let us sing, advance Australia fair. Beneath our radiant southern cross, we'll toil with hearts and hands to make this commonwealth of ours renowned over the land. For those who come across the seas with boundless plains to share, with courage let us all combine to advance Australia fair. In joyful strains then let us sing, advance Australia fair. In joyful strains then let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Wow, what beautiful anthem singing. I think we're getting better at that each week. These practices are pretty awesome, aren't they? Well done. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, Mrs. McDougall, teachers and parents.
Good job. It is week 9. Can you believe it? I'm about to tell you something exciting, but I want you to do a silent celebration. A silent celebration looks like this. Okay? You ready? You might not know what it is yet. You might not want to celebrate. We only have 10 days of school until the holidays. Oh, that was some noisy celebrations, but lots of you did a silent celebration. Well done. These 10 days are jam-packed full of things for us to do though, so you need to be ready. That means you're being a really respectful, responsible person that can participate in all the fun things that are happening. But before I tell you about that, we're going to give out some academic awards for last week, and Rachel is going to give them out today.
Okay, Jack, for developing a growth mindset and giving hard things a go. Prep D, Levi, for always trying his best when completing a task. One, two, A, Braxton, for working to improve your whole body listening during carpet time. One, two, B, Jaden, for persevering with difficult learning tasks. One, two, C, Ava, for being attentive in all areas of her learning. Wonderful to see. 3-4A, Jack is striving to do his best in all areas of the school. 3-4B, Isabella, for always completing tasks in a timely manner, fabulous work. 3-4C, Devon, who tried his best to complete assessment tasks. Well done, Devon. 5-6A, Taylor, for engaging in all areas learning activities and displaying your growth mindset to complete challenging tasks. 5-6B, Tyson, for an amazing effort in writing neat and accurate handwriting. Keep it up.
Tyson? Yep, he's there. 5-6C, Ben Pinkley Ben, for an amazing effort with handwriting challenge. Keep it up. Keep up the neat work. 'Please give these boys and girls a round of applause. Boys and girls, you are doing such a beautiful job being respectful. Thank you. Well done. Okay, let's look at our messages, and there are stacks of them. So listening carefully to all the things that are coming up. So the preps to year 2s have their very last swimming lesson today, which is exciting, and Miss Niece and Hep are going to take them over for some great swimming today, and I think it'll be a really nice day for swimming because it's going to be very hot. Hands up if you enjoyed the colour fun run on Friday. Me too. Hands in laps again. A big thank you to Miss Niece and Mrs. Cubis for organising the Colour Fun Run, and to all of the helpers that helped them make it happen. It was a great day and you all looked pretty cool, splashed in colour. Lots of fun. Leadership interviews are going to happen on Thursday when Mrs. HB returns. So if you have applied for a leadership position, vice captain or school captain, you'll have your interview on Thursday, so make sure you're here and ready for that. And those people are going to give speeches on Monday afternoon, and then we'll do some voting. It's all very exciting, and it's nerve-wracking for those people that are going for positions, but I'm sure you'll all be amazing. If you're going for the Indigenous captain position or a sports captain, house captain role, your speeches will happen on the Tuesday. Our Year 5s are heading off to Laidley State High on Friday with Mrs. Cubis and Miss Niece to have a go at high school and see what high school's all about, so that's very exciting. P&C meeting is on Thursday this week. We have STEM Day and Pizza Day. STEM Day and Pizza Day on Wednesday, and you need to have your pizza orders in today. Make sure that happens. And in week 10, we've got lots more things happening. On the Monday, it's Move Up Day, and that means you get to move to your classroom for next year and meet who your teacher is going to be. So that's really exciting. Thank you. I can see some people in 3-4C that are doing such a fabulous job being great listeners. Thank you for being so respectful. Good work. We also have our Learning Celebration Assembly next Monday. So this is our last normal assembly. Next Monday is our Learning Celebration Assembly, and we're going to give out awards for all those people that have been working so hard and achieving in their academics and their behaviour at school. Also next week is Principal's Lunch Club, and we're going to finalise the list of students students this week that are going to attend Principal's Lunch Club, so keep an eye out for information about that as well. Lastly, for my messages, have a look at the board here. This is how we're going for points for our Spirit Award that will be handed out on Monday. Now, to earn points for your Spirit Award, you need to wear your shirt, your Sports House shirt, on Thursdays, and this is the numbers that we're up to. So Martong's currently on 570, Birrawell is on 578, and Lungana is on 522, so it's pretty close. So if you would like your house to win, make sure that you have that shirt on Thursday and that your teacher counts you as one of the people with your shirt on. We'll find out who are the winners on Monday. Okay, Will's going to present our Behaviour Awards for Week 8.
Prep A, Charlotte, for being respectful to the environment around her. Prep B, Zara, for looking after her school environment. Great job. 1-2A, Connor, for looking after the school environment. 1-2B, Kiva, for always being responsible and water-wise in all areas of the school. 1-2C, Mia, for being respectful and caring of the school environment. 3-4A, Mother, for being a respectful student and showing care for the school environment. 3-4B, Skylar, for taking care of her school environment as well as picking up rubbish that isn't hers. Great to see. 3-4C, Taj, for having some great ideas on how we can help take care of our school environment. 5-6A, Isabella, for showing kindness and compassion to peers and offering support to those who need it. 5-6B, Miles, for setting a great example by being responsible and respectful of the school environment. 5-6C, Brock, for always being respectful of the school environment and being a great role model. Please give these boys and girls a round of applause.
Love hearing about all those people who are looking after our school environment. It's lovely to see. This week's behaviour focus is about being respectful and being safe in all areas, and it's about asking permission to leave a classroom, so not just walking out, and then going straight where you're supposed to be going and coming straight back. So that might be straight to the toilet and straight back. It might be straight to the office and straight back, not dawdling along the way. Let's have a look at the video and see what it can teach us.
Don't dawdle. Move quickly, you don't want to miss school time. Move around the school quietly.
Wait until I have all the boys and girls showing their respectful bodies again. Ava, you were doing an amazing job. Wow. Both Avas, that's funny. Okay, we're going to present the B ribbons for last week. You get the right piece of paper. You ready, guys? Okay, on 400 Bs, you make sure that's the start of the list, it is. On 400 Bs, from 56B is Tyson. On 500 Bs, from 12B is Seth. From 34B, Abby. And from 56B, Kai. And those people are getting a badge today. On 600 Bs, from 12C, Jasper, and from 56B, Kai P. On 700 Bs, from Prep A, Autumn and Macy Ann. From 12A, Jaden, Lincoln and Marley. From 12B, Ali. From 12C, Colton, April, Cooper and Malachi. From 56A, Zayden. And from 56B, Angus and Natalie. Okay, give a big round of applause to those superstars. You can sit down, thank you guys. Okay. On 800 Bs, from Prep A, Natalie. From Prep B, Jake, William and Levi. From 12A, Lincoln C. Tyler. From 12B, Bentley R. From 12C, Kira Lee, Indy, Kiana, Jake and Ricky. From 56B, Harry. And from 56C, David, Markai and Brock. Ava, you're still doing such an amazing job of listening and being respectful. Thank you. Can you come and see me after assembly? Good job. Wow, that's lots of people. Give these guys a round of applause, please. Sit down, guys. Okay, these people are on 900Bs. From 12A, Ella. From 12B, Idina and Xavier. From 12C, Aubrey. From 34B, Mason. From 56B, Philip and Abby. These superstars have earned a 1000 D badge. From 12C, Zaza. From 56A, Josh. It sounds like it might be a bit of family rivalry happening here. And from 56C, Lindsay. These people have earned 1,100 Bs. From Prep B, Elena. And from 12C, Harley. And these people have earned 1,200 Bs. Wow. From 12B, Ruby. And from 56A, Jamie.
Wow. Harley's on 1,100.
A huge big round of applause for these superstars. Okay, let's look at our badges. Show me your respectful bodies again. Beautiful. So nice. Good job. Okay. On 150 hours from 12B is Seth. Here he comes. And on 200 hours from Prep B is Jake. Come on down, Jake. Great work. A big round of applause for those readers, please. Amazing. You can sit down, guys. Okay, it's nearly the end of November. It's nearly the end of November, so we're going to give out our Buzzy Awards for November. Now, Buzzy Awards go to an outstanding Glenelg Grove State School citizen. So let's see who we've got. From Prep A, Shelley. From Prep B, Brooklyn. From 12A, the outstanding citizen is Marley. From 12B, the outstanding citizen is Stella. From 12C, the outstanding citizen is Kiana. From 34A, our outstanding citizen is Kelly. From 34B, our outstanding citizen is Mason. And from 34C, our outstanding citizen is also, a different one though, Mason. 6A, our outstanding citizen is Zayden. Angus is our outstanding citizen from 5-6B. If you like to sorry if I did. And our outstanding citizen, probably getting his very last Buzzy Award, but I'm sure he's got lots and lots of them, is Riley D. Well done, boys and girls. We're very proud of you. Go and take a seat. Okay. Shh. Let me see who my great listeners are. Still those beautiful girls from 1-2C. Wow. Amazing. Great job. Okay, the attendance winners for, it says week 4, that's totally wrong. I am not going back in time to week 4. It's meant to be last week, week 8. So the winners were Prep A. Who's in Prep A? Tara's celebrating silently, good girl. They had 93.75% and they've chosen the song Here Comes the Sun by the Beatles. What a beautiful song. Great job. Congratulations. Mrs. Stephen chose the song. Good choice, Mrs. Stephen. Our student leadership responsibilities for our leaders are Flag, Silas and Kinley. Sports Shed is Lungana this week. Junior activities is Martong. And Mats and Chairs is 5-6C. Principals Awards. We got to choose these ones this week. I like choosing these awards. This first one goes to a little person. Let me read what their teacher wrote about them because it's pretty impressive. This person has a wonderful, positive attitude towards all of his learning areas and he takes on any challenge with a smile. Wow, that's pretty impressive. And the person is Malachi from 1-2C. That's a good one. I think this person's going to have lots of awards on their fridge at the moment because they seem to be coming up all the time to get awards. They must be working really hard. This is what this person's teacher said about them. For displaying a growth mindset towards challenges in his learning, constantly striving for improvement, wow, and for using strategies to self-regulate. So impressive. And that person is from, I need to think hard about classes, 5-6A, and it is Zayden. Come on, Zayden. Superstars, give them one big round of applause. Action for happiness today is to discover your artistic side. This is one of Mrs. McDougall's weaknesses, my artistic side. Design a friendly greeting card. How lovely would that be for some people around here to receive a friendly greeting card? Okay, your teachers will take photos of you for Class Dojo. If you received an award today, you can meet me for an early lunch. And have a great day.